In this video, we're deploying Content Factory AI Agent. It discovers trending news every 8 hours and automatically generates SEO blog posts, Instagram captions, and TikTok scripts. Perfect for content teams and marketers who need consistent, on-brand content without the manual work. Let's head to the template library to find this agent. We'll search for Content Factory in the templates. One click and the workflow editor opens with all 12 steps ready to configure. Here's the workflow canvas. You can see all 12 nodes that make this automation work. Let's walk through each step. The AI assistant is built in. You can ask questions about your workflow anytime. It'll answer them instantly based on your configuration. Watch how Content Factory AI Agent streamlines your workflow with built-in documentation notes guiding you through setup at every step. This trigger runs your Content Factory AI Agent automatically every 480 minutes. That's every 8 hours, with the next execution scheduled for December 26th at 9:14 p.m. This node fetches the latest Japanese news from Google News RSS using a GET request, retrieving real-time headlines that feed into the content processing pipeline. This node uses GPT-4o Mini to analyze incoming RSS feed data and intelligently selects the single best-performing topic for social media across gadgets, AI, and lifestyle content, returning the chosen topic along with reasoning and target audience insights. This node leverages GPT-4o Mini to generate a 3,000-character SEO-optimized blog outline using a conclusion-first writing style based on your selected topic. This node uses GPT-4o Mini to generate a professional 5-slide Instagram carousel design based on your selected topic, leveraging a temperature of 0.7 to balance creativity with consistency in viral content creation. This node uses OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini model to generate a professional 60-second TikTok script based on your selected topic, structuring it with an attention-grabbing hook, main content, and call to action. This node consolidates all the AI-generated outputs, topic reasoning, and blog content from previous steps into a unified format ready for insertion into Google Sheets. This node appends a new row to your Google Sheet with the generated content, capturing the topic, blog post, Instagram caption, video script, and timestamp from the previous processing step. The platform has over 1,000 integrations available. You could extend this agent to post directly to Slack, sync content to your CMS, or even add email notifications when new posts are ready. That's the complete setup. Deploy it from the template library and start automating your content production today.